this is Steve. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to do a follow-up video that I did a few weeks ago on the LED high beam handlebar replacement. What I had noticed was that as cool as the white light looks, it may not be as bright as the original halogen. So we figure we do a test tonight and see which one's really brighter. What I ended up doing was, it's pretty much impossible to see, but I covered up the headlights and my LED light bar with cardboard so that the only light we'll have shining out is the high beam handlebar headlight. So let's give it a try here. Alright, so we're looking down my driveway right now. You can see the headlights are covered up with cardboard, but I just wanted to be able to, let you judge without having those lights interfering. So there's the LED high beam headlight that I had replaced. It's not too bad. Actually, it looks probably a little bit brighter on the screen than it does in person as far as lighting up stuff. So let's just take another quick look here, see how it looks. I mean, the looks are really nice as far as the nice white light, but yeah, I'm just not 100% sure how much light that thing really throws out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the halogen high beam back in again, and we'll be right back and try that one out. Okay, we're back again. This time we've got the halogen light back in. Let's try turning them on. That's the halogen. And you know what? Once again, it looks a lot brighter on the screen versus just looking at it right now. But I definitely think the halogen is brighter. It throws the light out a little bit wider. So as much as I hate to say it, as much as I like the look of the LEDs and the idea of the lower wattage, etc., I think the halogen does do a better job. So I may end up leaving this thing in. So that's it for this one. Our next video will probably be hooking up the snowplow, so stay tuned for that one. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.